Hello everyone. Hope you all are fit and fine. Yes, that's great. Okay, children, before starting today's class, I would like to say something to your parents. So, dear parents, I'm here to request you today that please encourage your ward to write letters with the correct formation as it was taught in the previous classes. Kindly do not allow your ward just to finish the work that has been given. Very few children had done the homework properly. Rest just finished off anyhow. That's not acceptable at all. So many times it has been told that the child is not supposed to lift their pencil while writing small letter A and B. They have done the same when they did their homework and you didn't check them. That's really wrong. So, today I'll be taking a recap once again of the formation of letter A and B. So, this time, whatever homework will be given, dear parents, please encourage them to write with the correct formation. Thank you. It will be a great help for your child only. Okay, children. So today we will do revision. What we will do? Revision. Revision of what? Any guesses? No? Okay, let me tell you. Today we will revise how to write capital A and small a, and after that capital B and small b. Yes, I know you will say that, ma'am, we already learned how to write, but most of you have done it in the wrong way. So today I'll teach you once again. So this time, whatever homework you will do and send me will be with the correct formation, right? So that I can give you a star over there. Yes. So let's start. Go bring your notebook first and please sharp your pencil nicely. So let's start, children. See, my notebook is ready. You will ask your parents to write date here for your, okay, and revision here. Okay, children, this much your parents will do for you. Now let's see once again how to write capital letter A. From where you will begin? From this red line. From this red line. Okay, children. So first we will make one slanting line, then another slanting line. Okay, and then we will make one sleeping line in between. This is what? Capital letter A. Remember, children, your sleeping line should not go below this blue line. Okay, don't make a curve here, that is wrong. It should be straight. It should be straight. Then what we write? Small letter A. And how we will write small letter A? First we make a curve now. So from where we'll make the curve? From the red line or from the blue line? Yes, from the blue line. So from the blue line, first we will make a curve. See, make a curve from here to the other blue line. Then go up, touch this blue line, come down and make a small tail. Make a small tail. Don't make big tail. Don't make big tail. Make a small tail. Then again we will write small letter A. You will start from the blue line. Always say and write, children. Always say and write. See again. Start from the blue line. Make a small curve. Touch this another blue line. Go up. Touch the first blue line. Come down. Make a small tail. Once again. We will start from the blue line. We are writing small letter A. Make a curve. Go up. Come down, make a small tail. Okay, now see how we will write capital letter B. We will start from the red line. We will start from the red line. Make one standing line from red line to blue line from top to bottom. Then go back to the point where you started. make a curve here, touch this first blue line, then again make another curve, touch the second blue line. Remember children, it should not go below the line or above the line. It should be on proper line. It should be on proper line. Now after capital B, what we will write? Small letter B. What we will write? Small letter B. So from where we will start? Yes, we will start from the red line. Make one standing line, go back, touch the first blue line, then make a curve here, touch the second blue line. Okay, don't lift your pencil. Don't lift your pencil. Once again, standing line from the red line to the blue line, second blue line, then go back to the first blue line, make a curve here, touch the second blue line. Okay, don't lift your pencil. See, ma'am is not lifting her pencil. Ma'am is not lifting her pencil. Once again, we will start from the red line, standing line, go back to the first blue line, make a curve, come to the second blue line, touch the standing line that you have made. Don't lift your pencil. This is small letter B. This is small letter B. What homework I have received, in that many of you have written small letter A like this. First you made a curve, then you made a standing line like this. This is wrong, children. This is wrong. Few of you have made a circle like this and then made a tail here. This is also wrong. Few of you have done what way? You made a circle like this, then you made a line like this. This is also wrong. You are lifting your pencil again and again. You're not supposed to lift your pencil. How you will write small letter A? You will start from the blue line, make a curve, go up, come down and make a small tail. Few of you have made a very big tail and that is wrong, like this. You have written with the correct formation, but the tail is very big. So this is also wrong. How you will write? See again. Make a small curve from first blue line to the other blue line. Go up, touch this. Then come down, make a small tail. This is small letter A. And how you will write small letter B now? See here. Standing line from red line to blue line. Then go back to the first blue line and then make a curve here. This is the correct way of writing small b, yes or no? Yes, but few of you have written like this. Made one standing line, then lifted your pencil and made this curve here. This is wrong. This is wrong. Then few of you have written like this standing line, then made curve like this. This is also wrong. You have to go back and then make the curve. And few of you have done how? You have started from here and went up. This is also wrong. This is not the correct way of writing small letter B. You have to write the way as I have told you before. See again, standing line, go back, then make a curve. Small letter B, small letter B. See again how you will write small letter A. From the blue line we will start. We'll make a curve, go up, come down, make a small tail, small letter A, then small letter B, standing line, go back, then make a curve. This is small letter B. Hope you all have understood now and will do the work with the correct formation. I will get very neat work, right? Yes. So those children who will do neat work and with the correct formation, I will give them a star, okay? Yes, you all want star? Yes, that's great. I will give you a star, and those who will do very, very good work, I will give them 2 stars. Okay? So, I hope you will do the work nicely. So, by then, keep practicing. I will wait for your work. Bye-bye.